Hello family, I have just made me some flour taco burrito shells with my new taco shell mold, as you guys can see. Might not get a good picture in this light, but I got the box over there. I think I'm gonna show y'all that. I just wanted to share. I'm making me some chili beans today for my Greedy Lady Healthier Meal Diet. Even though I won't be showing the chili beans because it's going to be a while before they get done. But I am going to cook up a little ground turkey and stuff these shells right here. One of them anyway, because I need to eat something this morning. Anyway, I'm feeling much better today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks for leaving beautiful comments. Thanks for leaving well wishes. I appreciate all that. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Love my, I guess, my Team Crafty Hobby, whatever my name is on that page, Janita. Team Janita supporters on the YT. Hope everybody is doing good and hope you guys can find some supplies just in case your area gets quarantined or because somebody is infected on that area. And for people my age and older, be safe. For one, I don't have to go back out. I did have an appointment to see the dentist, but that's not happening. I have an eye appointment in, I guess, 2 weeks. I don't know if I'm doing that one either, but that was an important appointment. So I don't know. I'm concerned. I don't need to be getting sick. But anyway, thanks for watching. I don't want to carry on. This is about my taco shell slash burrito shell flour. It's made with flaxseed, almond flour, and I put my own seasonings in here to flavor the shell up. So yes, this is gonna be good. I'll probably show you when I make my taco with the lettuce on there and stuff. No dairy. No dairy. For really important reasons. Not that I'm allergic to it, but no dairy. Alright you guys, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Okay family, I have made me a taco for my breakfast this morning. I know all you see is my taco shell and some lettuce, but believe me, the meat is in there. I took a bite. This is my bite size. See the back end of it right there? Where it got a dent right there, I bit that. It's good. So, just want to let y'all know, I flavored up this taco shell. This is wheat belly free, meaning no grains, corn, oats, wheat, nothing, gluten. It's flaxseed, almond flour. I'm not allergic to egg, so I put egg in here to bind it. I bind it with egg. I flavored it with some seasoning, so it's not a bland taco shell. So I just want to share my Greedy Lady Healthier Meal diet with you guys and let you guys see what I'm eating on. I don't know, my meat. Hold on, let me see if I can show the meat a little bit. Maybe not, because it's all behind the... Y'all know I don't do no dairy. Well, I can't show you the meat. It's all down there. I don't pack with meat, but it's enough down there. Oh, I do want to say I might have to make my shells a little bit thicker so that they don't break easy. I didn't want to try and make a wafer, but this is my first time using this recipe and my mold. I'm going to show y'all I think my box still over there. I can show you the package. I got it from Amazon. I need to make some money from Amazon. But anyway. Oh! I'm also supposed to be helping my sister Angel advertise her clothing business online. It's called Fantasies by Angel. You might have to put that address in the address bar, but I'm going to put the information in the description box too, okay? So check out her clothing line. Well, her clothing store, excuse me. Shoes, purses, jewelry. Check it out. It's a great place to shop. I love it. I'm sure you're going to love it too. So shout out to Angel. Y'all go support, help support my sister, okay? Support. And thank you if you do. And anyway, thanks for checking out my Greedy Lady Healthier Meals diet for today. Hope you guys take care, because I hear Trump is going to declare the coronavirus an emergency. And they just I'm in California. They just shut down, I seen on my email, the Los Angeles Unified School District. All the schools are closed. So, whoa. So now I know the stores are really going to be empty now. Hope you guys got what you need. Fan 1.0, hey! I know you had left in the comments saying that your wife went to the store and everything was gone. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope that you guys find something. Alright. I know I ain't supposed to be shouting nobody out, but hey, Fan 1.0. Y'all want to see who I'm talking about? Go and check out his channel. He loves football. He gardens too. So check him out. Alright, that's all I want to say. I'm feeling much better. Thanks for all your well wishes. Thanks for support. Okay, family. Sisters, holla, brother, kids. Bye-bye.